Please. Thank you. Hello! And goodbye. First, we're gonna learn hello. It's pronounced as ni hao. Okay, say ni hao, Emily.
Ni hao.
Good job. Can you try? Ni hao, 我的朋友. So, ni hao, hello. 我 is me or I. But right now we're using my. And then, 朋友 is friend. So, hello, my friend. Okay, short. Now it's goodbye. Do you know what goodbye is, Emily? Do you know what goodbye is in Chinese?
See you.
No.
Goodbye.
It's 再见.
再见.
No, 再见.
再见.
Good job. Can you try?
Yes.
Good job. Zai means again, and jian means see. So again see or see again.
Daddy.
再见我的朋友, which is goodbye my friend.
你好. 你好.
Thank you is 谢谢. Emily, can you say 谢谢?
谢谢.
Here's another bit more complex sentence. 谢谢你帮我. 谢谢. Thank you. 你 you 帮我 help me. 谢谢你帮我. Thank you for helping me. 谢谢你帮我.
谢谢你帮我.
Today we learned how to say hello, 你好, goodbye, 再见, and thank you, 谢谢. Next time we're going to learn sorry, it's okay, please, and you're welcome. Bye, and like our video and subscribe. Bye.